Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix 0xc000007b application error. Let's fix it guys. Just need to open up Chrome and search DirectX and select the first DirectX link and select the download option and download it. After getting download and click on it and install it. Uncheck install the Bing bar and select next. After getting installation done, select the finish option. And now again open up new tab and search .NET framework and select the first site Microsoft. We now scroll down, select the latest link or here 4.8.1. In here register, scroll down. In download type next to offline installer, select the runtime option and it will start downloading. After getting download and click on it and install it. In my case, I already installed this .NET framework, so I'm getting this error. After the installation done, just to close stuff here and restart OPC. After restarting, your problem should be fixed. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.